Is the best all-weather vehicle the one that conquers the mountain, or the one that makes the journey there feel effortless? This is the 2026 Subaru Outback, and this is the 2026 Toyota Venza, two names that dominate the driveways of America. One just underwent its most radical redesign in decades, trading its wagon looks for a boxy SUV stance. The other is doubling down on efficiency, proving that hybrid power is the ultimate all-weather weapon. If a blizzard hits Chicago tonight, or you need to escape to the Rockies this weekend, which one actually gets you there and back without draining your bank account or your sanity? By the end of this video, you will know exactly which machine is built for your life. Because while both have standard all-wheel drive, the way they deliver it is completely different. When you look at these two parked next to each other, you're looking at two completely different philosophies about what an SUV should be. The 2026 Outback has stirred up controversy. For years, it was the king of the wagon segment. Now it stands taller. It has a squarer, more upright profile. But here's the thing, this redesign was not for looks. It was for space. By squaring off the roof, Subaru has increased headroom, making the interior feel more open and airy than ever before. The windows are larger, the sightlines are improved. Now, look at the Venza, it flows. This is a design that prioritizes aerodynamics above everything else. It looks more expensive than it is, with lines that could easily be mistaken for a Lexus from certain angles. But that beauty comes with a price. That sloping roofline eats into the cargo space and reduces rear headroom for taller passengers. Let us talk about clearance. When snow starts falling, the car that sits higher is the car that is not pushing a plow with its front bumper. The 2026 Subaru Outback rides with 8.7 inches of ground clearance as standard. If you get the Wilderness trim, the one with the anodized copper accents and the Sirius all-terrain tires, that number jumps to a massive 9.5 inches. That is Jeep territory. The Toyota Venza sits at 7.8 inches. Now, in the rain and light snow, that is fine. But if you live where the snow piles high overnight, or if you need to crawl over rocks to get to your campsite, or if you regularly encounter rutted dirt roads during summer adventures, the 1-inch difference is the difference between moving forward and being stuck. The Outback is built to leave the pavement. The Venza is built to keep you safe on it. Both are valid approaches to all-weather driving, but they serve entirely different audiences. Here is where things get tricky. If you want power, your instinct might be to look at the Subaru optional engine. But if you want efficiency, the Toyota is the obvious winner. But in an all-weather battle, which matters more when you are climbing a mountain pass in freezing rain, under the hood of the Outback, you have a choice. There is the standard 2.5-liter Boxer engine. It makes 180 horsepower. And according to every reviewer who has driven it at high altitudes, it is slow. It requires a heavy foot to merge onto highways, and the continuously variable transmission hesitates before delivering power exactly when you need it most. It works, but it works hard, and the engine note becomes strained and noisy under heavy acceleration. The engine you want is the 2.4-liter turbocharged Boxer that pushes out 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque. This engine transforms the Outback from a capable appliance into a genuinely engaging machine. It launches to 60 miles per hour in under 7 seconds. Passing on a 2-lane highway goes from stressful to stress-free. The trade-off is fuel economy. It sits around 24 miles per gallon combined. And that number drops significantly if you are towing or driving aggressively in winter conditions. Now, look at the Venza. Every single Venza comes with a hybrid powertrain. There are no options, no upgrades, no gas-only base model. It uses a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with 3 electric motors to produce a net 219 horsepower. Here is the secret the spec sheets do not tell you. The Venza feels faster than it is in the places you actually drive most often. In stop-and-go traffic, the electric motors provide instant torque the moment you touch the pedal. There is no lag, no waiting for the transmission to downshift, no revving, just immediate smooth power that makes city driving feel effortless. And the fuel economy is astonishing. It achieves an estimated 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers, which translates to roughly 39 to 40 miles per gallon in real-world driving. That means the Venza can go over 600 miles on a single tank of gas. The Subaru, with its turbo thirst and heavier curb weight, will be stopping for fuel long before the Toyota needs to even think about a refill. So you have to ask yourself a difficult question. Do you need raw power to haul a trailer up a steep grade or blast up a mountain pass with 4 passengers and a roof box full of gear? Get the Outback XT. Do you want to save hundreds of dollars a month on fuel while still having all-wheel drive traction for your daily commute? The Venza wins that battle decisively. But let us set the specs aside for a moment. Let us talk about survival. Imagine you are driving home during a whiteout blizzard. The roads are slick, the visibility is zero, and you just want to get the family home safe. Subaru has built its entire reputation on the symmetrical all-wheel drive system. It is a mechanical system that is constantly sending power to all 4 wheels, all the time, without waiting for slip to be detected. It provides traction that feels planted and secure, like the vehicle is glued to the road surface. For 2026, the Outback also gets an updated EyeSight safety suite with a wide-angle camera and new features like emergency stop assist, which can automatically stop the car if the driver becomes unresponsive. But the Venza is not helpless in the snow. It uses an E4 electronic all-wheel drive system. It has a dedicated electric motor that powers the rear wheels instantly when the front tires start to slip. And it comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes lane tracing assist and adaptive cruise control that works seamlessly in stop-and-go traffic, reducing driver fatigue during long, stressful winter drives. The Venza feels lighter on its feet, more nimble in tight corners, and the low center of gravity from the hybrid battery pack gives it a planted feel that surprises most drivers who expect a hybrid to feel floaty or disconnected, where the Outback feels like a tank that will plow through anything. The Venza feels like a precision instrument that dances around obstacles inside the cabins. The differences become even more stark. The 2026 Outback features an all-new infotainment system built around a massive 12.1-inch touchscreen that dominates the dashboard. It is fast, responsive. You do not have to dive through menus just to change the temperature or turn on the seat heaters. The seats are redesigned for 2026. Engineered to reduce fatigue on long drives with better lumbar support and thicker padding. Road noise has been significantly reduced compared to previous generations, making highway cruising more civilized. And with the seats folded, you get a massive 80.5 cubic feet of cargo space. Enough to haul furniture, camping gear for a family of 4, or enough luggage for a cross-country road trip. The Venza cabin aims for a light luxury feel. Soft touch materials cover every surface you are likely to touch. Higher trims offer amenities like a panoramic glass roof that can switch from transparent to opaque at the push of a button, eliminating the need for a sunshade. The seats are comfortable, the driving position is lower and more car-like, and the overall atmosphere is one of calm and quiet. But the cargo space is a modest 28.7 cubic feet, significantly less than the Outback. And the sloping roofline means bulky items require careful Tetris-like packing. The infotainment system, while functional, lags behind the competition in terms of graphics and response times. So which one is the best all-weather SUV for American drivers? If you live in the suburbs of Dallas, the coast of Florida, or any city where the worst weather you face is a heavy rainstorm and an occasional icy morning, the 2026 Toyota Venza is the smarter vehicle. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.